Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Faisal Summer. Glad to meet you again. Hope you all are fine. So let's start our video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as we already discussed about the diseases and types of germs, so we will further get the knowledge about the germs. As we already discussed, there are four types of germs: bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. Okay, so now little bit in details we will learn about all these kind of germs. First of all, our germ name is bacteria. Okay, first of all, I am presenting some images so you can see how bacteria look like while we are see them through the microscope. This is the first image of bacteria. As you all can see how it look like. Okay, it's look like a cockroach. Second image is this. It is a cuboid shape along with some tails. Okay, so you can see now they are very tiny, as we already learned that germs are very tiny organisms which we can't see through the naked eyes. For seeing them we need a special instrument that is called as microscope. So first of all, the bacteria are very tiny. Okay. Secondly, these are one-celled creatures that get nutrients from their environments in order to live. Okay, like our human body, plants, animals, they are made up of various cells, various different kind of cells. But bacteria is made up of only one cell, means it has only one cell. Okay, it is called as a single cell or one celled creature, we can say it. Okay, then they can't get they can't make their own food. Okay, they get the nutrients from the environment. From the environment means from the animals, from the plants, from the human beings, they get their food. So for their survival, so they can live in the environment. Okay. Then bacteria can reproduce outside of the body or within the body as they cause infection. Bacteria is a living organism which can live outside also of human body or animal body, as well as inside of human body as well as animal body. It doesn't like if bacteria is living out of human body, it will die, but it's not like that. Bacteria can survive as well as bacteria can reproduce also, from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, and so on. It can reproduce inside the human body also. Inside the human body, obviously, while it enters, so individual will become sick, as well as outside also, if it is in the air, inside the water, on the surface, so that time also bacteria can reproduce. Okay. Then there are some infections which caused by bacteria. Some infection that bacteria can cause include ear infection, means whatever the deficiency or disease occur in the ear, that can caused by bacteria. Some sore throat like tonsils and strep throat, the problems of the throat, swelling of the throat, tonsils, etc. These all done by bacteria. Cavities like in our tooth decay, teeth diseases, these all are occur by bacteria. And one more common in children, that is pneumonia. Okay, these are some common diseases which can occur by bacteria. But Friends, students, all bacteria are not harmful. Some bacteria are very helpful also, as you all know. As you see in the yogurt, or we can say curd. So for making of yogurt and curd, one bacteria is helpful for making that. So bacteria are helpful also. Okay, but not all bacteria are bad. Some bacteria are good for our bodies. They help keep things in balance. Okay, some bacteria maintain the balancing. Okay, good bacteria lives in our intestine. Some bacteria are living in human body, in animal body, inside the intestine. What is their work? And help us use the nutrient in the food we eat and make waste from what's left over. Okay, whatever the food we are eating, they break down the food in various different nutrients, so our body will absorb the different nutrients. Means those bacteria helps in the digestion of food and making the waste product which will go throughout the body. We couldn't make the most of healthy meals without these important helper germs. Some meals are there which we can't make without the bacteria. Like for example, I said yogurt or curd is the best example or the common example. By the help of bacteria only we can make the yogurt or curd. Some bacteria are also used by scientists in labs, in laboratories. So many doctors, so many scientists are using for making some kind of medicines, some kind of vaccines, or any other items. Uh, Doctors in the laboratories, they are using, scientists in the laboratories, they are using the bacteria for preparation of different kind of vaccine. So some bacteria are harmful, as well as some bacteria are helpful to our body also. So that's all about the bacteria. Okay, once we have revised, they are very small creature, are tiny single cell creature. Okay, bacteria can reproduce outside also as well as inside of the body, and some diseases are ear infection, sore throat, cavities, and pneumonia, etc., etc. There are so many others. Okay, some are bad, some are good also. Okay, children, so this is about the bacteria. Now our next one is, what is next? Next is viruses. Okay, what is viruses? So same way like bacteria, I am presenting the image how it look like. Okay, so as we saw, bacteria means bacteria are long in shape and have some tails. Okay, but virus are circular in shape, as well as they have some spikes on their outer surface. Like you can see in the image, it is a ball, small kind of ball, and some spikes are on the surface. Bacteria are long, cuboid shape, virus are circular in shape. Okay, same like bacteria, virus also single cell. Okay, it is single cell. It needs to be inside living cells to grow and reproduce. Bacteria can reproduce anywhere, outside also as well as inside also, but virus need a living cell, means it need a human body, it need a animal body for their survival or for their reproduction. Once the virus enter in the body, then it start reproducing 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, and so on. But once the virus is outside the body, it can't reproduce, it will die after some time. Okay, most virus can't survive very long if they are not inside a living thing like a plant, animal, or person. As I said, viruses can't survive outside in the environment, on the surface like in air, on any other subject, metal, clothes. It will die after some times. The time duration might be different, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 1 week, 2 weeks, but it will not reproduce and it will die without entering in the plant, animal, or a human body. single cell, as I said. When virus get inside people body, they can spread and make people sick. When it same like bacteria, when it enters in our body, in the human body, in the animal body, it makes the people sick. Virus can cause chickenpox. Some common diseases are chickenpox, measles, flu, and many other diseases. Okay, these are some common ones. Chickenpox, as you all know, measles, flu, and many other diseases also. Like common one is nowadays COVID-19. As in common language, we are saying coronavirus. Okay, that is also common disease. So virus is also single cell, need human body or living cell to reproduce and to grow. It can't survive outside for a long duration. Okay, and when it enters in the body, individual will become sick, same like bacteria. Okay, the shape are different. It's circular in shape and have spikes on its outer surface. Okay, now third type of germ is fungi. Okay, as you all seen mushroom, you all have seen, might be you, some of you maybe eat also. Okay, so fungi is look like a mushroom plant. Okay, it looks like a mushroom plant, small kind of umbrella we can say. Okay, reversed umbrella. This is the image of fungi. As you see in this fungi on some contaminated food also, like if you keep the bread outside for long time, or if you keep the food for long time in your kitchen without covering, and also some white particles start sticking on the food. Over the bread, some green particles are start sticking on the bread slice. So that is fungi. Okay, you can see it easily. They are multi-cell, made up of many cells, plant-like organisms. Okay, means virus and bacteria are single cell, they have only one cell, but fungi are multi-cell. It is made up of many cells. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 10, 15, like this. It is made. It is the combination of many cells, and it looks like a plant. Like I gave the example of mushroom. It looked like a mushroom plant. Okay, the structure of fungi is as a plant. So we can say, oh, this is a plant. No, but this is not a plant. That is fungi. Okay, first thing is multi-cell. It is made up of various cells. Fungi cannot make their own food from soil, water, and air. Fungi cannot make their own food. Okay, fine. They, for getting the nutrient, it also need some body. Okay, food, human body, plant's body, or animal body. Fungi get their nutrient from plants, people, and animals, as I said. They love to live in damp, warm places, means where the darkness is there, where the warm is there. It's not survive in the cold places, but they need some damp and warm places. Okay, the moist places we can say, where the moisture is more, fungi will be more. If moisture is less, if the temperature is low, fungi will not grow. But in bacteria and virus, there is no condition of climate. They can grow anywhere in any climate, but fungi will not grow in cold climate, either in the hot or mostly in the warm climate or in the moist areas we can say. Many fungi are not dangerous in healthy people. Okay, some fungi are dangerous, but so many are not dangerous also. If we eat fungi by mistake, so, or if it enters in our body by mistake, it will not cause any kind of disease. But sometimes it is dangerous, like if we eat contaminated food, so some kinds of vomiting, food poisoning will occur in our body. Examples are athlete's foot. In athlete's foot, what happens? It will become more swelling are there. Itchy rashes, that teens and adults sometimes get between their toes, sometimes between the fingers due to the more wearing of shoes, sweating and all. Some white particles will start producing in between our fingers, foot fingers mainly. Okay, that is fungus. Sometimes in the hair, under the hair also, some fungi will start developing over the skin also sometimes. So on plants you can see some white particles are start producing, so that all is fungi. Okay, so it is different. Fungi is different from bacteria and virus because both are single cell. Fungi is multi cell. Okay, fungi is not much dangerous. Sometimes it is dangerous, sometimes it is not. Okay, cannot make their own food like bacteria and virus. It need same some plant, animal or human being body, but bacteria and virus can survive in all climate. Fungi will not survive in all climate. It need damp and warm places, or we can say moist places. It needs. In cold places there is less chance that we will get the fungi. Okay, so now our fourth one and the last one is protozoa. This is the image of protozoa. It looks like a long tube. Okay, it's have different shapes and size. They also one cell organism like bacteria and virus. It is also single cell. Okay, love moisture and often spread diseases through water. So protozoa also like fungi, it also need moisture. It also love moisture to grow and spread mainly the diseases through the water. Means moist places where the water is more, where the moisture is more, we can find out the protozoa, and it contaminate the water, and through water it spread the diseases. If sometimes we drink water, so our body will become sick. Protozoa cause intestinal infection that lead to diarrhea, nausea and belly pain. Diarrhea, okay, nausea and stomach. Belly means stomach pain. Sometimes stomach ache will occur in our body if protozoa goes inside our body. By main thing is by water it can enter in our body. Okay, so that's all about the types of germs.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, which is ERS, and press the bell icon button so you will get the notification when I will upload my next video. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay home.